Hello, in front of me I've got REDTIGER F17 PLUS. In this video I'll show you how to enable and disable audio recording. Microphone on your dashcam is located right here. Thanks to the microphone you can record your sound from the inside of the car. To turn audio recording on or off, you can simply use voice command like turn audio off or turn audio on. Next, you can go to settings, sound record, and switch it between on and off. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.